A profound morning to you all. Every year, as we hoist our tricolour flag, we look back in reverence at the struggles that broke our chains. We honor the legacy of hard-won liberty. But today, I invite you to look forward. Independence is not a static destination reached in 1947. It's a living, evolving journey. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era, gazing at the new horizons of independence. What does independence mean in the 21st century? Historically, freedom meant the absence of foreign rule. It was political. But now, the frontiers of our freedom have shifted. The new horizons demand a transition from a nation that has survived to a nation that thrives and leads. True independence is not merely the absence of a master. It's the presence of self-reliance, innovation, and unwavering dignity. First, our new horizon is economic and technological sovereignty. We see this horizon expanding as our scientists touch the lunar South Pole, as our industries transform from global back offices to global innovators. We're moving from Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance as a slogan, to a living reality. Second, the new horizon is decolonization of culture. It's about taking pride in our heritage, our art, our philosophy, while seamlessly embracing modern scientific temper. Finally, and perhaps the most importantly, the truest horizon of all is inclusive societal progress. A nation cannot fly high if parts of its wings are broken. Similarly, true freedom is realized only when the fruits of its progress reach the most marginalized, when every child has access to quality education, and when every citizen breathes an air free from prejudice and division. My friends, these new horizons are not far off illusions. They are territories waiting to be conquered by us, the youth. Let us march towards these new horizons with courage in our heart, brilliance in our mind, and unity in our step. I would end up my speech by saying a wonderful quote that lives in every one of our hearts. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Thank you. Long live India. Jai Hind.